Hello, everyone. Welcome to another live stream. Um, Give me one sec. All right. Welcome. This is definitely a little too loud. Here we go. Okay, welcome. Today's Wednesday, so as usual, it's a game dev stream. And I'm thinking maybe next week I won't do one, but we'll see. It depends on how I feel. So at the moment, well, let me first start with what this game is all about. So the game tentatively is called Vessels, and Vessels is going to follow kind of along in the current, very popular, it seems very popular, type of indie game that follows like the job simulator, genre. And what Vessels is about is, I really need to practice this. This is bad. It's the 10th stream of this. I should know this by now. Okay, so in the world of Vessels, I had to adjust the wording for this, but it's a world where spiritual energy kind of flows freely and can be detected and measured, but certain types of emotional energies can build and create these artifacts called vessels. And it's usually negative emotions, pain, suffering, you name it. And those vessels have value that can then be turned into potions that benefit people and alter their abilities. Historically, it would have been used for things like war or ruling a kingdom, etc. But the game is set in the modern days, where it's more used for like stock market or spying, that sort of thing. And there's in general just benefits that can be derived from those potions from the vessels. Yeah, it's kind of like witchcrafty almost. But the game it's simple. You're gonna be exploring, finding vessels and other valuables and materials that you can use to craft. And you're gonna be uncovering the story of each location, which will be different for each location. The main story of the location will involve whatever tragedy happened there. I already have an idea in mind for the first location I'm going to work on, which is the post-Soviet village map. You go in, you look for vessels and valuables, you find the story, you uncover the story as you play along. You won't be able to uncover it all at once. It's going to be a game where you replay each location over and over again until you uncover it. It's going to be spooky, a little eerie. I guess there could be some witchcraft elements to it, because we're basically wizards and witches, essentially. But it's set in modern days, and it's not like true magic. It's like a spiritual enhancement, I guess you could say. But yeah, I need to work on this like beginning pitch. I should be able to pitch it like if I'm talking to a board of executives for funding my game. All right, so I am in the process of wrapping up Milestone 1, and there's still a couple things that are missing, but I think I might work on these off stream. But right now, for Milestone 1, I'm just kind of cleaning things up and adding a few new things here and there. Just kind of making sure what I've done so far works. There are no bugs. And start actually building out the level. Eventually getting to lighting. Right now I'm working on item spawning. So let me open up the game. And then hopefully I'll be done with that before, well, in time for the milestone to be done, which is early March. And then I can start actually working on fully fleshing out the first level. And setting up like the pre-game game, I guess, if that makes sense. You start the game, but you're at your apartment, and there's going to be like a menu where you can do, you know, various different things. You're going to be paying your bills, you're going to be doing inventory management, you're going to be going to the market to sell and buy, those sort of things. That I'll get to that hopefully soon. I'm still finishing my apple. You know what they say. An apple a day doesn't keep the doctor away, because that was bullshit. That phrase that has like no actual medical benefits to it. Still, the apples are great. So I did add a little bit in the design doc, but I've got like this list of the ingredients for the crafting system. There might be more, but this is what I have so far. So part of today's goal is to find the assets for this list. And then I've got other things that I can search for, but these are particularly for the first level, but also like some of the equipment. So like I need to see if I could find these things, if I have them for free. If not, can I find one that's cheap, or can I put one on my wish list that I will hopefully be able to buy soon in a future sale? Because the fun thing about like wish listing things on Fab, I guess, I mean it works on everything really, is you'll get alerted when it's on sale. How do I see the Fab store again? Actually don't remember. There it is. Cool. So let's close everything except for the first person character, because that's pretty much damn near required all the time. I'm gonna keep the data table there open as well. Okay. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it. Make sure you leave a like. This is not going to be monetized after the stream, so I would appreciate a like. It's monetized now because I can get away with it. But like shortly after, it's going to tell me no, you can't monetize this because it's music. Welcome, Bill Collector Daniel. I thought you were going to say an apple a day keeps Bill Collector away. I should have said that. Damn, too late now. I ruined it. I wish. Would love to see map building. I'm not gonna build a map from scratch. I'm gonna be using a pre-made map. Actually, I can show you it. It's a pre-made map that I'm going to have to do a bit of an overhaul for. It's in here? I should just call this the village. No, I'm kidding. Village. Yeah, village. So it's a wintertime post-Soviet village. And I've already got some assets. As you can see, this dresser here. Tons of cabinets and chests and stuff like that that will fit in with the post-Soviet village. It also could be reused for other maps. Depends on if the art style fits. And the doors too. I've already got like tons of doors. Actually, the doors are from the post-Soviet village pack, so I just use those doors. But yeah, I'm gonna have to build out every house, the interior, because there are no like there's no furniture or furnishings or anything like that in this pack. It just comes with the buildings and the world space and like the town setup, and that's it. It doesn't come with any like any beds or kitchen counters. Toasty, get a low taper fade. The next time someone asks me that, they're gonna get a timeout. So yeah, I do have to do some level design stuff, but not like building the landscape from scratch and then figuring out the layout and painting the ground to look like a road and stuff like that. I don't have to do that, fortunately. I'm gonna leave the setup for the map as is, but I will be doing some changes. Like, I know what I want for like the final part of the story, and that's going to be requiring me to lock off a part of the map, and I'll tell you which part of the map is going to be locked off. It's going to require some potential editing of the map, but we'll see. This is going to take a while. I made a mistake. I made a mistake by doing that right now. I should have done that earlier. Oh, wait. I don't want to show my Epic account stuff. Phew, that was close. Okay, I got the free stuff for the week. Actually, I noticed that they started doing 3 free item drops per month now instead of 2. It used to be 1, and it was 5 items per month per the item drop. Then when they launched Fab, they started doing 2 of them, but it was 3 items each item drop. So you got a total of 6, which is actually kind of nice. Now there's 3 of them. I don't know if this is permanent, but there's 3 free item drops per month. This was the second one. The third one's coming next week. It is a shorter month, so cool. So let's look for in my library though. Just let me focus on the ingredients. Okay, there's the ingredients. I'm gonna move the ingredients list over here. Jesus. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, so this is what the level looks like. It's not gonna look, you know, very pretty because I have it set to low graphical settings. It's a decent sized village, and this is actually exactly what I was looking for the type of level. Where everything's kind of separated, so I can easily lock one building and have other buildings available from the get-go. You solve some puzzles, you progress through the story, then you can unlock the next building and continue the story like that. Some of the other maps I have don't quite match exactly this type of setup, but that's fine. I'll work something out with those. Yo, Galder? What? Fantasy quiz. How many wizards entered Middle-earth? I have no idea. Toasty, stop reading this. I said stop. Who wants to play Russian roulette? Anyways, yeah. One of the immediate... Whoa, what the fuck? Skybox is definitely not match. That doesn't look like winter. Hold on. What in the fuck? Anyways, big problem with this map. It's in daytime. I need to redo the lighting and the post-processing and the, you know, day-night cycle. Well, I need to set it to nighttime. This other map that came with it has a nighttime already. For some reason, it's like one house. I'm actually thinking about just porting that house over. I think it's a little bigger. I don't remember. And then whatever lighting settings, I'm going to bring it over here. I'm just going to import it over. I'm gonna put a house here. I'm gonna remove this guy, unfortunately. I'm gonna put a house here, and that's where the finale for the story is gonna go. So I'm gonna block this bridge off with a gate that you have to figure out how to open. That's like how the story of this particular location is gonna be. I would prefer not to have to edit the landscape. I have no idea if I could even do that in engine. Landscape. Probably. I don't want to do that. But if I do, I will have to. Oh, and I wonder if I can probably walk through that water or fall through it. I'm gonna have to do some minor editing. Make sure there's like collisions there so that I don't fall through. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be working for the first level. It's still rendering shaders, so it's occasionally having a stroke. Where did I put the spawn point? Did I put one in? Oh, it's just starting from where I land. Okay. So I do need a spawn point here. I would like it to be like facing here. Oh. Actually, we'll figure that out when I do like the level stuff. Because I also need to do like exits, and it might be better to do the starting point depending on where the exits are. But yeah, I would like to start next to this house. This would be the first one. I'm actually curious. Where's the door? Okay. Oh, right. This is really bizarre. Like, when I click on it, it kind of clicks the whole house because it's all grouped together. So I need to go through and find the door that I clicked on. Okay, so it's one of these two. See, this is a bit of a problem. It's because it's all grouped up. Jesus Christ. Replace actor with door? BP underscore door? Nope. Oh, right. It's a static mesh. Can't do it that way. Gotta actually delete the door. I'm gonna have to ungroup everything. This is kind of annoying. Especially because it's not even in the same folder. That's really annoying. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to turn that on today. Sorry, no sound effects. My bad. I forgot we're not doing that for these streams. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain to do. I'm gonna ungroup everything. I'm gonna see if I can put them all in a folder before I do that. Okay, let me get back to my level because I don't want to be in here. No. That's gonna be in here. Okay. Yeah, let's go through Fab. Let me close Fab then, the web browser version. My library. Okay. Wood. What the hell? What I need is just like a generic pile of wood, or a piece of wood, or scrap, or something like that. I don't see anything like that. So then let's go discover. My tummy's starting to act up. I might need to go to the bathroom. Price free. Like a bundle of wood. Like, oh, this is perfect. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Just like a wood piece, like a piece of scrap of wood, or even like a stick. Okay. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Dinner, upset tummy. Be back. I'm back. My poor Tommy. I don't know what causes it, but it's really annoying. I think just certain foods or certain things just kind of set me off now. I'm getting old. I'm gonna be 30 this summer. Big sad. It's over. My life's over, basically. Anyways. Let me finish my apple. I did also chug a little bit of Pepto before or after this. Afterwards. Also, I missed the toilet. And asked me if I washed my hands. Anyways. Okay. Here we go. I'm getting old. You're just fermenting? No, I stopped fermenting a while ago. That's what your 20s are for. You ferment in your 20s. That's when you're drinking the most. Unless you become an alcoholic. Which I would not recommend. I'm now aging like a not fine wine. And it hurts. Okay. Allows usage with AI? No. Generated with AI? No. Cool. That's awesome to know. Yeah, this is perfect. Like, this is what exactly I was looking for. I'm not sure if this is like... This is like one asset or they're all separate, but that's fine. Like, if when you drop it from your inventory, it looks like this is exactly what I was looking for. Cool. And then it doesn't matter like where it comes from because it would spawn from a wooden object that you can break down with your axe. So, yeah, this works. Save to my library. Okay. Oh, let's see if it is medium quality. So I guess it just auto adds it. Anyways, add to project. Okay. Next is metal. So I'm thinking, let me mark this down for some of these ingredients, I do want rarities. So obviously the crystals, there's like a rarity for all of them. For each tier. There's a crystal for each tier. Ah, it is a separate wood piece. Or wood pieces, okay. So they're all separate. That's fine. So wood, we're just gonna have the one paper, the one string, one crystals. Metal, glass, and crystals. The organic stuff. And the rocks / minerals. Those are going to have rarities to them. They're not going to have all 5. I think only the crystals will have all 5. So let's look for metals next. At least 2 different metals. Hello, Jim Pam. Welcome. How's the game development come along? It's going very well. It just seems like with each stream or like each session of developing it, I do get, you know, that feeling that, oh man, things are working, and I'm learning new things, but also like refreshing myself on old things. It's going along very well. Okay, metal. So metal free. Oh, I need to add that to, where'd it go? Wood debris pack. Okay, so this has to go on this list. So in the event that my PC dies, the hard drive breaks, the actual work that I've done is pushed to GitHub, then I can re-download all these asset packs, and it should hopefully be fine. Hopefully. Okay. Yeah, next is metal. I'm thinking maybe 2 or 3 different metals. So really, I'm looking for just like metal scrap or metal ore even. Apple, backwards. I might have to type in ore. This could work, but I imagine these are bigger than I need them to be. Which means I could just, like, make them smaller. What I should do is I should do metal scrap and metal ore. Let me do metal ore. There might be something that's free. Stylized ore rocks. The problem is it's stylized, so it looks a little cartoony. And then the color is really the only thing that denotes it's ore. Like the color in the cracks. This might be harder than I thought for metal. I might let me type in metal scrap. Yeah, let me type in metal scrap. No, your 20s are your pickling years? Oh god. Is that what it's called? Okay, Jeez, I didn't think this would be that hard for metal. Like, scrap metal? I might just have to use that. Unfortunately. I took off the free. $0 to $5. It's possible. Oh wait, I should check my assets first. It's possible I have a prop pack that has what I'm looking for. Um, 3D models. I might have what I need. Oh yeah, some of these Western packs might have it. This actually might even work for like the kitchens and storage sheds for the post-Soviet village. Not necessarily scrap metal, but there's metal objects there. There's this one that has like There's metal objects, but no, like, thing that says scrap metal. Not even here. This these old Western packs are gonna be very handy for the post-Soviet setup. Yeah, this won't work. Oh, I taste the Pepto. Oh, I brought this for that reason. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some. Ah, look at that. That's great too, actually. That would have worked. That's fine. That would have worked for the metal. Or the wood, I mean. I wonder... in this. Probably not. Doesn't seem like it. Nope, no scrap metal. Construction Props Volume 2. No. I mean, if there's a construction site, you'd imagine there... Oh, let me get rid of the pinned comment there. You'd imagine there's, like, pieces of scrap metal and wood and concrete. Like leftovers. Let me type in scrap. Nothing. Okay. Scrap. Free. Okay. This is already immediately better. But the problem is I think that's one model. All of it combined. I think this is a mega scan. Oh, wait.